Hello Windows users. Today I'm going to show you how to restore the old Windows 10 context menu. Let's jump straight into it by pressing our Windows key, typing in CMD, and pasting in the following Windows registry command. We can see that the operation is completed successfully. Next, open up Task Manager using Control-Delete. Scroll down and find Windows Explorer. Restart this task. Your screen should flash. Now, if you invoke your context menu, our old friend now appears by default. If for whatever reason you want to revert your context menu to the current Windows 11 one, run this registry command to restore it. And as we can see, even without restarting Explorer, our old context menu appears. Here are both of the registry commands I ran, and they'll be down in the description for you to copy and paste. Thanks for watching, and like and subscribe for more Windows tips. Peace.